Welcome back to the channel. So today what I got for you is some video from competition a week or so ago with my class 1 Element Enduro TrailWalker. I had some problems with my video camera, my glasses that I use for video and for competition, and the files got corrupted after a couple stages, so I've only got part of that run. But I've also going to be throwing in some other like free runs afterwards. I played on a few different obstacles, so I'm going to be throwing some of that in there for you. I ended up finishing, I think, last in that class. You'll see on stage 2, I didn't finish in the time frame, so I timed out. So you'll see that I had some struggles. We had rain that day early in the morning and even a little while we were there, so conditions aren't what I was used to competing in, and definitely made it more difficult. So hope you enjoy what you see today, guys. Yeah. My first time competing with this thing. Yeah, I think you're right. I probably should have already done it. That's fine. Because it's not so tall, I forget about it, you know? Yeah, no, absolutely. I've done it with my Gen 8 before when I had a big antenna on the back of it. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta go across that, right? Well, I walked it earlier, and I should, you know, remember, but...
Probably a lot of people are gonna miss that gate.
Probably. Come on, seriously?
It's probably stuck in the dirt.
There we go.
It was stuck in the dirt.
This is becoming my favorite truck right here.
Is that the Enduro?
It's the TrailWalker, yeah, Enduro TrailWalker. Ooh. Seriously. Ooh. Alright. Come on. Come on. Get it out of one and it gets in the other.
All the way under that strap.
I'm all the way under?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Alright, yeah, I didn't realize it was all the way, so whatever that is. I'm gonna take that.
Would that be a handy gun?
I assume so.
Better than breaking it.
Exactly.
Is that a TrailWalker?
Yeah, it's an Enduro TrailWalker. It comes with 1.55 tires,
I love
wheels.
the body.
Yes, I like the body a lot. Now, I've modified the back a little bit.
Like old square body?
Yep. For the rear bumper, I got the scalar fab rear bumper on there, so I had to cut it a little bit. It had a molded.
Into the body?
Yeah, so I had to cut it to put that scalar fab rear.
probably lifted it off the ground a lot too much.
Yeah, a little bit. It gave it so much. It was catching the back bumper when you go up stuff. It would catch it really bad. Oh, come on. And I'm going. Oh man. Like this one's pretty tight gear right here. Oh, my antenna. Damn it. Damn it. I'll take it. You think so? I didn't think I would. That's why. Let's find out. Shoot.
Hard?
Yeah.
Should have done that on the last kick.
I thought about it, but I was like, I don't want somebody to think I'm, calling it cheating or anything. So. Because it don't stick up as high, I don't notice it until, well, right till, yeah. And this is literally my first time competing with it, so. But I love the size. It's perfect for Class 1, in my opinion. Oh, wow. I think I just hit it. I hit it. I caught it with my tire. I think you're right. And I think there's a couple more that I'm really concerned about over there. Not straight enough. Oh, I got it. Dang it. There's a couple gates right here. I'm the next two. All right, look how tight that is. Thankfully it's straight, but yeah. I'm about to though, I think. Yep. Dadgummit, that's a tight freaking gate. Oh, I did not realize what. Okay.
everybody don't hit this gate, they're lying. Oh, is there a tough one? It's just too skinny to get through.
Dang it. I think I'm the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we hit the one y'all are on first and then came here. Oh, wow.
I'm gonna mark all these out right here and just start over.
Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up. Dadgummit. Just when I thought I was doing something smart.
And I just marked off all the 5 gates. And I had to mark another gate over. Could have left it alone.
Come on. That's the good thing. But of course, this thing right here being slick, I got more dirt on my tires now. There's no way. Oh, go back, go back, go back, go back. Oh, seriously. How can I?
Start over. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if that's enough. Come on. Wonder if I don't know if that's gonna be enough. You gotta be kidding me. Take my time more. Take my time more.
8 minutes right now. They got a 10-minute time limit? When Jim sets the course, this is in. When I set the course, I'm on. Well, it's not too bad going up there, Jim. Down? Down's not bad. Going up and...
You got wrapped in the wheel.
His turning bumped the back over perfect.
I didn't get 23, 24, and 25.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Some of my runs from the class 1 from the last competition. Like I said, I ended up finishing last in that class, mostly because of that run on stage 2. So guys, I hope you like what you see today. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. There'll be links down below. Particularly, there's a Red Cat link. It's an affiliate link. If you purchase anything from Red Cat, they do carry some trail products for Red Cat products. If you purchase anything, I get a little bit of a commission, and that will just go back into the channel. Be a link to where we hold the competition, the Scaleplex. And until the next time,